In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for event planning. Whether you're organizing a small gathering or a large event, Notion can be your go-to tool for keeping everything on track and under control. To get started, let's create a page dedicated solely to your event. Think of this as the central hub where all information regarding the event will reside. It's like your digital event headquarters. To create a page, simply open Notion, click on New Page, and give it a name reflecting your event. This could be something straightforward like Annual Gala 2025 or Wedding Day Planning. By doing this, you're setting up a dedicated space in the cluttered world of event planning, making it easier to organize your thoughts and ideas from the get-go. Once you've established your primary page, the next step is to add a task tracker database. This feature is the heart of organization within Notion. Start by clicking on Add a Database and selecting Table. Here, you'll be inserting tasks related to your event. Think of all the things that need to get done, from booking the venue to sending out invites. What the task tracker essentially does is provide you with an overview of what needs to happen and when, all in one visible table. It's a fantastic way to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Now it's time to make your task tracker really work for you by including essential columns that reflect your event's specifics. Begin by adding a column for your budget. It's crucial to keep a keen eye on expenses, and having a dedicated budget column helps track your financials effectively. Next, add a column for vendors. This could include information like vendor contact details, agreements, or catalogs. Having these details at your fingertips will make vendor communication much smoother. The third column to consider is deadlines. This helps to visualize your timeline, ensuring that tasks are completed in a timely manner. Having these three columns, budget, vendors, and deadlines, can transform a simple task tracker into a comprehensive planning tool. The final step in our process is sharing your Notion page with your team for collaboration. Collaborative planning ensures transparency and can significantly ease the workload. To do this, simply click on the Share button in the top right corner of your page and enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite. Notion allows you to set permissions, giving you control over who can view or edit the page. Sharing within Notion keeps everyone on the same page, fosters better communication, and enables real-time updates and task delegation. It transforms your event planning from a solitary endeavor into a collaborative team effort. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to employing Notion for your event planning needs. By organizing your pages and leveraging databases, you're not only optimizing your planning process, but also opening new avenues for effective team collaboration. With Notion's flexible and user-friendly interface, managing events becomes not just feasible, but also a more enjoyable experience.